Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. So that being said, let's look at the recorder. Once again, I don't actually play the recorder. I like to figure out how to play things. Music is like a puzzle to me. Like when I want to play lots of instruments, but I don't really necessarily care too much if I play them well. When I make the animated tutorials, it creates this illusion that I play these instruments well, but that's just what editing does. So I sincerely hope that people don't watch these live tutorials and think, oh my gosh, this guy doesn't know how to play. I'm going to go watch somebody else. It's not about that. It's about getting the fingering right. Okay, so let's. So it's actually pretty much exactly the same as the five, except for a couple of minor differences. So what we want to do, just pretend that you can't really see because of the light definition on the camera, but there's two holes there and two holes there. I always treat those holes like I pretend that both of them are one hole for basic lessons. So that's hole number 6 and this is hole number 7. All right. So they actually do have a function, but for these kind of lessons, I don't really care about the function. So we want to cover holes 1 to 7 anyway with fingers 1 to 7. So your right hand is these 4 fingers and then your left hand is these 3 at the top. You're going to keep the hole on the back covered for these ones. So covering holes 1 to 7 with fingers 1 to 7, blow once. Then we're going to cover holes 1 to 5 with fingers 1 to 5 and blow once. And then we're going to cover holes 1 to 4 with fingers 1 to 4. And I like to put hole finger number 6 on hole number 6 to get the F. And then we're going to cover holes 1 to 3 with fingers 1 to 3 and blow once. Like that. Next 4 notes are the same as the last 4 notes. Cover holes 1 to 7 with fingers 1 to 7, blow once. Cover holes 1 to 5 with fingers 1 to 5 and blow once. Cover holes 1 to 4 with fingers 1 to 4 and hole number 6 with finger number 6 and blow once. And then cover holes 1 to 3 with fingers 1 to 3 and blow once. Okay, and we're going to practice this until we end up with something that sounds immeasurably far superior to this. Like that, okay? Let's go to phrase 2. So we want to cover holes 1 to 7 with fingers 1 to 7 and blow once. Remember to keep your thumb covering the hole on the back. Okay, cover holes 1 to 5 with fingers 1 to 5. Cover holes 1 to 4 with fingers 1 to 4 and hole 6 with finger number 6. All right. And cover holes 1 to 3 with fingers 1 to 3. Cover holes 1 to 5 with fingers 1 to 5. Cover holes 1 to 7 with fingers 1 to 7. Cool. Cover holes 1 to 5 with fingers 1 to 5. And cover holes 1 to 6 with fingers 1 to 6. Practice phrase 2 until you end up with something that sounds like this. Something that sounds better than that anyway. So we want to go to phrase 3 now, and we're going to go E, D, C, C, E, G, 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 F. All right, so cover holes 1 to 5 with fingers 1 to 5 and blow once. Cover holes 1 to 6 with fingers 1 to 6 and blow once. And now cover holes 1 to 7 with fingers 1 to 7 and blow twice. Cover holes 1 to 5 with fingers 1 to 5 and blow once. And cover holes 1 to 3 with fingers 1 to 3 and blow 3 times. And then cover holes 1 to 4 with fingers 1 to 4 and hole 6 with finger number 6 and blow once. That's right. G, 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 F. Okay, so practice this until you end up with something that kind of sounds like this. Okay, yeah. Anyway, I'm not doing that again. Okay, so phrase number 4, we're going to cover holes 1 to 5 with fingers 1 to 5 and blow once. Cover holes 1 to 4 with fingers 1 to 4 and hole number 6 with finger number 6. Okay. Okay, so cover holes 1 to 4 with fingers 1 to 4 and hole number 6 with finger number 6 and blow once. Okay. Cover holes 1 to 3 with fingers 1 to 3 and blow once. Okay, and cover holes 1 to 5 with fingers 1 to 5 and blow once. Cover holes 1 to 7 with fingers 1 to 7, blow once. Cover holes 1 to 6 with fingers 1 to 6 and blow once. And cover holes 1 to 7 with fingers 1 to 7 and blow once. All right, so practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Yeah, until you end up with something that sounds better than that. How's that? But yeah, oh, okay, I see. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, I have written down here how to play that in a high octave, but as I've discussed with my bacony friend, that that does tend to drive the females in the house up a wall. It might actually kill your pets. For those of you who just prefer my animated tutorials, hang in there. I am producing some. They just take a while. Cool. See ya. Bye. Are you sure you want to end your stream? End.
So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Patreon. We'd love your support. And if you're a YouTube content creator like me and are looking for a place to share your work with other like-minded YouTubers, then come and join my Facebook group, Circle of YouTubers. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.